Hi, Ken Mergentime here with Sign and Digital Graphics, and this is Video Minute. You know, I was looking through a recent issue of the magazine, and I ran across an article on a niche market that I think is overlooked by too many sign shops. I'm talking about ADA signage. The Americans with Disabilities Act was first published in 1990, and the ADA's greatest impact has been improvements in access to public accommodations for those with disabilities. This has helped open many opportunities for millions of disabled Americans. But the mandate has also helped create a new market for the sign industry. Today, every well-planed interior signage program must include special signs designed for those who are blind or visually impaired. The market is huge. All public buildings are now required to comply with at least the minimum guidelines. That means that every sign shop has the opportunity to get a piece of the ADA signage market. But just slapping some Braille on the bottom of a sign does not make it compliant. It can be a tricky business. Federal ADA guidelines are complicated, detailed, and constantly updated. And some states have their own requirements above and beyond the national standard, so keeping up with the regulations can be a daunting task. Fortunately, there are a lot of resources available for sign makers who wish to incorporate ADA signs into their product mix. There are several wholesale manufacturers who've done the research and developed the fabrication methods that can help you with your ADA project. For those who have equipment such as engravers and routers, and for those who can use simplified Braille systems such as raster beads, you can create your own Braille signage in-house. But whether you work through a wholesaler or you make your signs in-house, it's a good idea to pick up a good Braille translation program to ensure proper size and placement of the Braille. So if you're looking for a good market to explore, you might consider ADA signage. Well, that's all we have time for today. Again, this is Ken Mergentime for Sign and Digital Graphics Magazine, and this is Video Minute.